Book of Heaven, Volume 12, December 6, 1919. The soul in the divine will gives God the love that lost souls do not give him. God, in creating man, left him free and gave him the power to do the good he wants. I don't feel the strength to write of my painful fortunes. I will just say a few words which my sweet Jesus told me, and which I wasn't even thinking of putting on paper. But Jesus, reproaching me for this, made me make up my mind to write them. Now, I remember that one night I was doing the adoration to my crucified Jesus, and was saying to him, "My love, in your will I find all generations, and I, in the name of the whole human family, adore you, kiss you, repair you for all. Your wounds, your blood, I give to all, so that all may find their salvation. And if the lost souls can no longer benefit from your most holy blood, nor love you, I myself take it for them, so as to do, myself, what they should do. I do not want your love to remain defrauded in anything on the part of creatures. I want to make up, repair you, love you for all, from the first to the last man." While I was saying this and other things, my sweet Jesus extended his arms around my neck, and clasping all of me, told me,
"My daughter, echo of my life, while you were praying, my mercy softened and my justice lost sharpness, and not only in the present time, but also in the future time, because your prayer will remain in act in my will, and by virtue of it, my mercy softened will flow more abundantly, and my justice will be less rigorous. Not only this, but I will hear the note of the love of the lost souls, and my heart will feel toward you a love of special tenderness, finding in you the love which these souls owed me, and I will pour into you the graces which I had prepared for them."
Another time he told me,
"My daughter, I love the creature so much that, in creating the heavens, the stars, the sun, and all nature, I left no freedom to them. So the heavens can add not one star nor remove one, nor can the sun lose or add a single drop of light. But in creating man, I left him free. Even more, I wanted him together with me, creating the stars, the sun, to embellish the heaven of his soul. And as he would do good or exercise himself in the virtues, I would give him the power to form for himself stars and the most splendid suns. And the more good he would do, the more stars he would form. And the greater the intensity of love and of sacrifice, the more splendor and light he would add to his sons. And I, spreading myself also in the heaven of his soul, would say to him, 'My son, the more beautiful you want to make yourself, the more pleasure you give me. Even more, I love your beauty so much that I push you, I teach you. And as soon as you make up your mind, I run, and together with you, I renew the creative power and give you the power to do the good you want. I love you so much that I did not make you a slave, but free. But alas, how much abuse of this power that I gave you. You have the courage to convert it into your ruin and into offense to your Creator."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.